Good morning guys, in front of me is Nokia C12 and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So to enter a secret code you have to go to your keypad. Let's start with it. And now the first code that I want to share with you today is *##, 426, *##. And as you can see, this one will show us a diagnostic mode in which you can check events and status. So this is it. This is how you can enter the diagnostic panel. However, if you wish to get some more advanced view, tap on more and click on advanced view. So here you'll be able to find way more detailed info. Let me go back. So that will be all for the first one. The second code that I want to share with you today is *##, 225, *##. And here you've got the calendar info, so all events and celebrations from all your calendars, like all connected with this Nokia, will be displayed here. So from now on, you will not forget about any upcoming event. And the last code that I want to show you today is *##, 06, and here you'll be able to see all device information. So if you want to check email or serial number, smoothly provide this short code, and after 1 second you'll be able to see every detail. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.